time people struggle with using colors, vibrant colors like blue, purple, green, and sometimes even yellow on their face. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to put this look together. Hey everyone, my name is Varsha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this beautiful blue eyeshadow look. It's very peacock inspired and it's just something to complement the dress that I'm wearing. This look is more on the heavy side of things. So if you were to put it, it would make sense if you were going for a grand function like an Eid celebration, or if you were going for a party, or if you were going to somebody's sangeet or wedding. A lot of times people struggle with using colors, vibrant colors like blue, purple, green, and sometimes even yellow on their face. Because these colors are not naturally found on your face or naturally found in skin tones, it becomes difficult to incorporate them within your makeup look. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to put this look together. Keep in mind, in the end of the day, you can always swap out the colors. Like instead of blues, a blue gradient, it could be a green or it could be a purple, your choice. As a tip, I'm just going to explain the concept of using colors on your face to you. Whenever you use colors that are not naturally found in your body, always make sure to use browns as well. Like over here, you can see a transition shade being brown, and you can see my lips being brown in color. You can even see my blush being slightly orangish rather than pinkish. So when you do that, you are drawing attention to the color in your eye, and at the same time, you're keeping it perfectly balanced. All right, let's go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my hair up because this is really getting in the way. Alright, now that I have my hair up, I have already finished my base, so I'm going to get started. Once you've prepped your skin, the first thing I like to do is my eyebrows. I've actually already explained how to do your eyebrows in a previous video, but it's on my Instagram, so I'm going to see if I can link it up or down. I don't know. Okay, it's going to be somewhere. Okay. But the basics are very simple. You divide your eyebrows into three parts: the beginning, the arch, and the end. You draw a lower line and you draw an upper line. Fill in your brows from 2/3 and use the first part only to blend. And during this whole process, you only use small brush-like strokes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side off camera right now. Once you're done with your brows, you conceal, and I like to conceal using a brush because it's just way more precise. Conceal on your brow bone area and above it as well. And do the same thing on the other eye. Once you're done concealing, then you do your eyeshadow, and here comes the fun part. So what I like to do first is take a really light concealer and just dab a little. As usual, I'm going to start with my transitional taupe shade. Now that I'm done with the taupe, I'm going to go with a light brown. And I'm going to do it on this eye as well. So because I'm doing a very smoky look, I am going to create a cut crease with, once again, the super white concealer. So basically I have a hooded eye, so therefore when I make a cut crease, or whenever I make a cut crease, I need to place it slightly above my actual crease. Now that I have cut the crease, I'm going to create the black line. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to actually put black eyeshadow in the corner. I am going to take that small brush, I just cleaned it up, and I'm going to do blue. I am now going to do green, this tealish green, because that's the color of, that's what my kurti has. My kurti has like a little bit of teal green. And now I am going to do the highlight. So what I'm taking is this super bright color, which is this duochromatic blue. I'm going to put it right over here. I am going to use a concealer and really clean up the bottom. Next thing I'm going to do is actually put kohl in your waterline. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara. This way, when we put our falsies, it won't look too weird and out of place. Alright, now the lashes. So, the band of the lash gets perfectly hidden if you apply a little bit of eyeliner right next to your lash line. Here comes the hard part. What I like to do is come really close to a mirror, because otherwise I can't see a thing, because basically I'm blind. And apply this. And now I'm going to do my foundation. What I'm taking here is the Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, which is, by the way, the most amazing foundation I've used. Now I'm going to take a lighter powder, which, by the way, is this beautiful Chanel powder, and I'm just going to put it right under my eye. Alright? And I'm going to take a little bit of my contour brush and just make dabbing motions. Take a little bit of orange-ish shade and apply it. There we go. Now I'm gonna go back in with the highlight. And now for the finishing touch, my lips. So I'm gonna add some Vaseline first, because I like to use matte lipsticks and they can be really drying. So I will generally take a lip liner and overline my lips ever so slightly. I'm going to take my mattifying, really brown lipstick and go over my lips. Just to spice things up a little, I'm going to take the black. And basically what I do at this point is I take a concealer brush, which already has a little bit of product on it, and clean up my lines. I found these earrings in my closet and I thought, why haven't I used it? So I'm gonna put them on now. Alright, now that I have my earrings, I'm gonna do my hair. And now I'm gonna change my clothes in just a second. And there you have it, the look. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make new videos every week. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram and TikTok for more content and funny videos. Until next time.